Mimi, what's up, all you Roadrunner lovers? This is the ride right here. We're gonna guess that this thing's got the real 426 Hemi, which means this thing's gotta be worth, I don't know, I would assume about 140,000. We're gonna guess. Look at that. It's got the Roadrunner. Look at it. You remember those wheels? Whoa, look at this. Look at this with the stripe. That ain't no normal stripe. That's the Roadrunner stripe. That is too cool. Look at this. What do we got? Oh, 80,000. 80,000? What? It's got the real 426 Hemi in there? 80,000? That motor alone's worth 80,000. Jesus. This is the car, man. This is the right color. Wow. That's a steal. Somebody better buy this thing. Look at that. Are you going to get a 426 Hemi for 80,000? That is so cool. You put that thing in a CUDA and you got yourself a $300,000 car. You want to see more cool cars? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.